earn $500 per day spinning this game. How true is this? This is Patty's ISO. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I share videos on travel vlogs, business, and of course my lifestyle. So today we're going to be reviewing this new game, Cooking Slot Run a Restaurant. This game is available on Android and iOS. This game is really good. Cooking Slot Restaurant can bring you a very wonderful, real slot experience with awesome features. All you need to do is to spin the lucky wheel and collect coins. And of course, it's really good. I love playing the game. But we are talking about the monetary aspect. How true is this? Is it possible you could make $500 plus just by spinning and running a virtual restaurant through this game? Let us find out from my own personal experience. If you look at the reviews, this game started off very well, very swift, and people actually earned money playing this game. Yeah, the sign-up process for this game is very easy, and there are 3 ways in which you can make money on this game. The first way is to earn money by watching ads. As you can see displayed on my screen, I was able to earn just about some few cents. And mind you, it takes a lot of work. You're gonna watch a lot of ads if your aim is to make money on this game. For me personally, it takes too much time just to make some few cents. And the second way to make money is by inviting your friends. So once you invite your friends, for example, as you can see displayed on the screen, if you invite one friend, you earn 0.05 cents and so on. And the third way, which is what actually pulled me to this game, is to earn $500 per day by collecting coins. Now I'm going to show the proof. I started off really good, and yeah, so this is what happened. I was able to collect so much coins. But once it reached a particular threshold, once I reached, I think 46 million, first of all, you need to collect 50 million coins to be able to cash out $500 per day. So I played so well, and when I reached about 40 million coins, the coins started dropping. And this is what it tells me. It is pretty difficult to get the coins, you know. So I need to spin wheel, and here what does it tell? It tells me I can't withdraw anything. So, and from the reviews that I've gotten from this app, when it started off, it was okay, it was good, but as time went by, the withdrawal process, it's almost impossible for those who if you want to cash out the $500, it is almost impossible. Yeah, but those who played, I think around May, some were able to cash out. Like one of these reviews says, so far seems to be a real cash game. I'm almost to the point of cashing out, but won't let me watch the last 2 ads to cash out. So a little iffy about it in a way. We'll update if I finally do get to watch the last 2 videos to withdraw. If I don't, I will definitely try it out. So it is a very good game for game lovers. I played it and I enjoyed it, but when it comes to cashing out, it's very difficult. And even before you make up to $1, you're going to suffer. So this game is purely for those who love, you know, maybe getting on a bus and just to play the normal game and have fun. But if it's the part of cashing out, to me personally, I think it's not realistic, because I haven't cashed out. I have been blocked at 49 million plus for over 1 week plus, and it's really difficult. So to get to that threshold of $500, I think it's not realistic. So this is my review on this cooking slot game. I hope you found this video very interesting, and if you do, please do not forget to leave a thumbs up. Also drop a comment if you've tried this video before, if you've tried this game before, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next one, bye bye.